Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at what is database and how to create one for our project. So a database is a structural collection of data that is stored and organized in a way that makes it easy to access, manage and update. So here key concept here, data. The data simply means raw fact or information. Structure simply means data is organized in the table which are made of rows. The rows are record and the columns are field. We also have database management system. The database management system allow us to interact and manage with database. So example is MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server. So how do we create a database? We create a database by using a database management system like MySQL. So to create a database, we can either use the query, that's SQL query, or we can access it by using the database system. So to use a database system, you can use the command line interface or graphical user interface. We are going to use graphical user interface like phpMyAdmin to create our database. So to create the database through the query, we use the keyword create followed by the name of the database, which is database, then the name that I want to give to it. So create database, then the name that I want to give to it, then give to it. Okay, so now let's start our PHP MyAdmin. So let's open our PHP MyAdmin. So this is our exam MySQL. You need to start the MySQL. So the action here must be start. You need to start it here. Then click on admin. Okay. Now to create a database in phpMyAdmin, we have two ways. One is just clicking on new, then give it a database name. So let's call it anything that you want to call it. So let's call it my lowercase my underscore story underscore flow. Then click on create. So as you can see here, that's one way of so our database is being created here. Over here now there is no table, that's it. That's one way. Now let's delete it. I'll show you another way. So to delete it, you use the keyword drop database. Then the name of the database is my underscore story underscore flow. Then semicolon. Then here we go. So as you can see, I've deleted my story underscore flow. That's the database name. Another way to create it is to use the SQL this thing. So just refresh it or just click on home. Then click on SQL. This is this one. Then over here you give it a query. So the name will be create database. Then space you give it a name. The name of your database. So this one be my underscore story underscore flow. Then semicolon. Then over here will be four. So as you can see, we have been able to create a database for their projects. So you can choose any name for your database, but this is what we are going to use in this project. So this is the name that we are going to my underscore story underscore flow. So in the next video, we are going to learn how to connect with the database. So see you in the next video.